Hi, welcome to McBurger Town.
Hi. So, can I get like six Mac Burger donuts and a Mac Happy Burger with like six Mac slush drinks? With can I get also the Mac Johnny Big Fries and six Mac Happy Nuggies with a side of Mac Fries? Do you still sell the Mac Fish? Can I have the Mac Triple Combo with Mac Extra Dip and Mac Extra Sauce for my Mac Special Powder and my Mac Chicken Powder and my Mac and my Mac. Are you getting? There's no way you're getting. Hold on. Let me start from the beginning. Can I get Mac extra dip, Mac extra sauce for my Mac special powder and my Mac pickle powder? And can I get a Mac grill powder? Can I get a Mac Big Mac burger? Can I get a Mac pizza sauce? Can I get Mac double chicken double? Can I get Mac double? Mac Johnny Big fries, Mac menu combo,
I hate this McFreaking job. Whoa. Kinda weird not to put an address on this thing. Huh? What is that? Oh my god, it's perfect.